ADFIAP is the focal point of development finance institutions in Asia and the Pacific. We call it DFIs, or sometimes they're called development banks. We have 131 member institutions in 45 countries. Our work and advocacy centers on financing sustainable development. When we talk about sustainable development, we really are talking about three aspects: economic, social, and environment. But in ADFIAP's case, we added another aspect, which is good governance, because we believe that sustainable development is not achievable without good governance. ADFIAP is part of the development finance community, and in the world, we have other similar associations like us, and one of them is the Association of African DFIs, or ADFI. The reason why we're here is because relationship with ADFI is really very close and warm, and so I think it's about time that we jointly organize the CEO Forum for this year. So this is our first joint forum, and we're really expecting to have the best exchange, networking, and cooperation between the members of ADFI and ADFIAP. Well, the theme of the conference is South-South cooperation through DFIs by having the focus on value chain financing. When you talk about value chain financing, it's really about looking at the holistic approach in financing, especially small and medium enterprises, rural businesses, agriculture. You're not looking at only the specific project, but more on the supply chain, all the transaction that comes in from the raw material till the end product, and when the product is ultimately sold in the market. Objective really of value chain financing is two things. One is access to finance, and second is really financial inclusion, including those small farmers, businessmen, artisans who cannot on their own be able to access financing, but also through the value chain will be able to gain access to financing. We have a memorandum of understanding with ADFI, and we will also sign with the Southern African Development Cooperation DFI Network to continue on capacity building, information exchange, even business cooperation, meaning there could be investments both in Africa and in Asia. And so this is really a very auspicious event, and we hope that this could continue on after this very first conference.